Welcome to the FIZZ. More than just a place to stay, this is where student life really begins. Your apartment is fully furnished and ready from day one. Private bathroom, kitchen, work desk, fast Wi-Fi, everything you need, all under one roof. Just move in and feel at home. But life at the FIZZ doesn't stop at your door. Train at the in-house gym, do your laundry on site 24/7, relax in the movie lounge, let your creativity flow freely in the music room, or study in quiet common rooms. From rooftop terraces to gaming areas, you choose how your day looks. Need help? Our house management and house technicians are always close by. Packages, questions, repairs, you're covered. And with a community manager organizing events, meeting new people comes naturally. Security, comfort, and flexibility are part of everyday life here. Plus, great connections to the city mean you're never far from university, friends, or new experiences. The FIZZ is smart housing designed for students, all-inclusive, social, and easy, so you can focus on what really matters. Welcome home.